Jungle Book, the story of Mowgli. In the deep forests of Africa, one stormy night, heavy rain poured down. Flashes of lightning lit up the tall trees while thunder roared across the skies. Amid this wild night, a little baby was lying in a corner of the jungle, crying helplessly. He had no parents, no shelter, no one to protect him. His innocent cries echoed through the darkness of the forest. Fate had decided that this child would not grow among humans. The jungle itself would raise him, teaching him its laws. That child later became known as Mowgli. That very night, a black panther named Bagheera was out hunting. In the lightning's glow, he spotted the baby. At first, he thought it was a trap set by humans, but when he came closer, he realized it was just a weak, abandoned child. A strange tenderness filled Bagheera's heart. He gently lifted the baby onto his back and carried him straight to a wolf's den, where a mother wolf was feeding her cubs. Bagheera placed the child before her and softly said, "This is a trust. Only you can protect him." The mother wolf licked the baby lovingly, and thus he became her son. The wolf pack was surprised at first. How could a human child live among them? But the love of the mother wolf convinced them all. Time passed, and Mowgli began to grow. He ran and played with his wolf brothers, learning their ways. He climbed trees like monkeys and swam in rivers like crocodiles. Slowly, he began to understand the calls of the animals. The language of the jungle became his own. Though he was human, in heart, he had become a true child of the forest. Mowgli's closest friend was Baloo, a simple, kind bear. Through games, Baloo taught him the law of the jungle. He would say, "Every animal has its right. Every blade of grass has its worth." These lessons made Mowgli fair and fearless. Alongside Baloo, Bagheera also guided him. Bagheera was strict in nature but soft at heart. He often reminded Mowgli, "In this jungle, strength alone isn't enough. You need wisdom and cleverness too." Day by day, Mowgli was turning into a brave and wise young boy. Many other animals also became Mowgli's friends. Hathi the elephant would take him along and show him ancient jungle paths. He explained how roots of trees held the earth together. A giraffe once lifted Mowgli onto his long neck, saying, "Look from above. See how vast this jungle is." Birds taught him the signs of dawn, and fish in the rivers showed him new ways to swim. Mowgli's heart was now deeply connected to the entire jungle. But not all in the jungle liked him. The fierce tiger Shere Khan hated humans bitterly. He would roar, "This boy will grow, bring fire, and burn the forest." His terrifying growls shook every creature with fear. He was powerful and cunning, and most beasts dreaded him. Mowgli knew that one day he must face Shere Khan. Yet he was not afraid, for he believed that friendship and courage were greater powers than fear. One day, a troop of monkeys captured Mowgli and dragged him to a broken, ruined fort. They laughed and shouted, "He is human! He will teach us human tricks and make us clever." Mowgli tried to escape, but they were too many. When Baloo and Bagheera learned what happened, they rushed to rescue him, along with Hathi the elephant. Together, they bravely attacked the fort, scattering the monkeys and finally freeing Mowgli. That day, Mowgli learned that true friendship shines brightest in hard times. A few days later, while playing by the riverbank, Mowgli suddenly saw a massive python appear. Kaa fixed his terrifying eyes on the boy and hissed, "Come closer, I won't harm you." But Kaa's gaze was hypnotic, almost magical. It could put anyone to sleep. Just in time, Bagheera leapt forward and struck Kaa aside. Mowgli was saved, but he realized an important truth. Behind every smile in the jungle, danger might also be hiding. Yet Shere Khan never stopped plotting against him. The tiger threatened the animals, saying, "He is human. He does not belong here." Some weaker creatures believed him, but most trusted Mowgli for his courage. Silently, a great battle was brewing within the heart of the jungle. One evening, as the sun set and bathed the jungle in red light, Shere Khan appeared. His roar shook the earth beneath their feet. Animals panicked and scattered in fear. The tiger called out, "Come forward, human. Tonight your fate will be decided." Mowgli steadied his heart and walked boldly toward him. In his eyes, there was no fear, only determination. On the ground lay a burning branch from a fallen tree. Mowgli picked it up and raised it high as he advanced toward Shere Khan. The fire's glow lit up the tiger's face, making him tremble. Shere Khan knew fire was his greatest weakness. He stepped back as Mowgli declared firmly, "This jungle belongs to all. It is not the property of one." With a furious growl, Shere Khan turned and fled into the dark jungle. At once, the forest filled with voices of joy. Monkeys, birds, wolves, elephants, all gathered around Mowgli. Baloo hugged him tightly, while Bagheera said proudly, "Today, you proved you are not just a human.
Like or subscribe, Kren.